What do you think, boy? This is his first experience at our garden. And as you can tell, he's been sniffing a lot at all these plants and various parts of the grass, just to take it all in. Welcome home, Roscoe. Roscoe, what's up there?